To design a custom bookmark, you can use the tool called Canva. Just go to this website, make an account, and type over here bookmark. And on the left side, click on the free. Let's choose, for example, this one. You can see the front and the back of your bookmark. So all you need to do is to change the image, for example, go to photos on the left side. If you don't see it, click more. And over here, for example, type in clouds and use the free. Just drag and drop it over here. Also drag and drop it over here on the back, for example. After that, you can change your text to see it better. Change the color to be white. Bottom also over here. And now add effect and click shadow and make sure that shadow is dark. As you can see, the text now looks better. You can change the logo over here or delete it if you want. Or change text by going text and clicking add a heading and type in something over here or over here. To change the text, just type inside and change the text, or to change the font, click up here and choose the different font. To download it, just click over here download and choose PDF print suggested to keep the maximum quality.